Are you considering harnessing the power of solar energy, but unsure which type of solar panel to choose? In this video, we'll delve into the world of solar panels and compare two popular types, monocrystalline and polycrystalline. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to make an informed decision for your solar panel needs. First, let's explore monocrystalline solar panels. These panels are made from single crystal silicon, offering exceptional efficiency and durability. With an efficiency rate of 20 to 25%, monocrystalline panels convert more sunlight into electricity, making them a top choice for residential and commercial use. Additionally, they come with a warranty of up to 30 years, ensuring a long-lasting investment. However, it's essential to note that monocrystalline panels are more expensive upfront and can be sensitive to temperature changes, which may affect their efficiency. Next, we have polycrystalline solar panels, made from multiple crystal silicon. While not as efficient as monocrystalline, polycrystalline panels offer a decent efficiency rate of 12 to 15% at a lower upfront cost. They're also widely available and easy to manufacture. However, polycrystalline panels have a shorter warranty period of 20 to 25 years and are less durable than monocrystalline panels. They are less expensive and displays moderate sensitivity to temperature changes. In summary, monocrystalline panels offer high efficiency and durability but come at a higher cost. Polycrystalline panels provide a balance of efficiency and affordability. When choosing the best solar panel type, consider your specific needs and priorities. We hope this video has empowered you to make an informed decision when selecting your solar panel type. If you have any further questions or topics you'd like us to cover, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more informative content.